Well, now at 6:15, let's bring in Ross Caruso, taking a look at the forecast here. A little foggy in some parts.
Yeah, otherwise really not a whole lot, slowing a lot of people down. It's beautiful out here in town, but really depends on where you're at. We are seeing some hit or miss fog across parts of central Ohio, even far out to the east. You can see the bottom left camera there down in Cambridge. We are looking at a bit of a foggy start to the day, but you can see it's not terribly dense out there, but we have seen some pockets of some more intense fog. But again, nothing widespread, fairly isolated, and again, a beautiful shot there overlooking live downtown Columbus. We're going to continue to see the fog linger for perhaps the next few hours in spots. You can see far to the east where we should show you that camera out in Cambridge and Guernsey County. Our sensor out there in that particular location is reading visibility just less than a half a mile, and that's similar to be the case up towards the north and northwest up towards Kenton as well. So really just where we saw some of that heavy rain, probably dealing with a little bit of fog. Otherwise, not a whole lot slowing you down as things are nice and dry across satellite and radar. So it's always a good sign to see that, especially starting the day today, where we're going to continue to see a lot more sunshine coming to town. Temperatures this morning starting off in the low to mid 60s, warming to the low 70s by around 10 o'clock. And if you are dealing with the fog again, most of that will be done with between 8 and 9 o'clock this morning. Lunchtime temperatures slowly climbing into the low 80s for us, and it's actually going to be couple degrees cooler than what we were at yesterday. High pressure will roll in. Those winds will shift out of the north. That's going to bring in some drier, cooler, more pleasant conditions for us as we head into this afternoon with those highs in the low 80s, where right now dew points still a little bit higher for us in the low to mid 60s, but went from 65 to 63 now. So hey, we're at least heading in the right direction now that those winds are out of the north-northeast. So already starting to see some of the effects of that. So not as muggy. 24 hours from now, especially right now outside of Columbus, we are a little bit cooler in spots, 63 in Coshocton, 61 in Zanesville, 60 in Caldwell, 65 down in Jackson, 65 at Washington Courthouse, and 61 over in Urbana. So a little muggy for us this morning, but even as we head into this evening, you're going to be feeling some of that drier, more refreshing air already, and with that, things will be staying pretty nice as the humidity will be relatively low over the next couple days, even to start the weekend, although it will be a little bit warmer for us going into Saturday. Mostly clear tonight, those lows close to 60 degrees for us, and might even see a handful of locations into the upper 50s as you head out the door tomorrow. Not going to be looking at any fog potential. Winds will be light again out of the north going into your Friday, where we will see those temperatures approach near 80 degrees for us at 12 o'clock, 85 as we head into the afternoon, and we're going to keep that trend rolling with temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 80s for us Saturday and Sunday, and then starting to cool off in the next week. But with the cool off, we will be seeing our next chance for showers and storms. Looks to be fairly spotty though to start the weekend, so partly cloudy with a mix of sun and clouds for your Saturday. We will see the potential for a few pop-ups going into the day, but most of the day will be dry. Then clouds will continue to build, hot and pretty humid as we head into your Sunday, where we'll see a better chance for some widespread storms, a bit more inconvenient for us, and that looks to be mainly during the second half of the day on Sunday, but the morning doesn't look too bad to start. And then dry going into Tuesday. We'll have some lingering storms going into the day on Monday, and then we'll see highs back near 90 on Wednesday, but with that we will also see the potential for more storms in the forecast, and then starting the climb back up into the upper 80s near 90 as we head towards the end of your 10-day forecast there.